So here we are with the extensively damaged by 24 volts, I presume, Rotel 240, which took quite some doing with various Zenas, transistors, resistors and an IC to change, as well as the usual capacitors you would expect. So let's see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Okay, making sure you're there.
Roger that, well I'm just coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Alright, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Alright. Right, now going out the top of the hill and go down towards Wilson.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that. That's 21 for Mr. Chippie, now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilson.
Roger, that's loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Rotel RVC240, the flagship model, and the radio is doing a whisker away from 4 watts, about 3.8, 3.9.
Yep, Roger, all is. Now going over Wilson Level Crossing.
Roger got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Roger got you out the Kelby turn. Roger got you at the Greyleys turn. Roger got you at Rossby level crossing, also known as Greyleys level crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you. 10-10. Okay. A bit noisy at that far end, but the sensitivity is on the set, so I just presume the trees must be in a bad mood out there. So, yeah, that works fine now. We'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like in its... I'll do it in normal, and we'll try it in clear as well. Of course, our Harrier base station is the same innards as this, so I've been at 134. So we'll do that now.
Tango 21 testing the customer's Rotel RVC240 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. This is with the standard replacement microphone, and we're in the normal mode on the radio. We're now in clear mode on the radio, 12345 54321. And we're back in normal mode on the radio. Thank you for watching.